My name is Francis Cunningham and I'm here in Custis and I'm going to play two reels. The first one is called The Pigeon and the Gate and it's a version Nearly Boylehead, and the second one is called The Duke Leinster's Wife.
Well done, Francis. Beautiful. Where'd you pick those tunes up?
Tim Collins taught the first tune to me. I think Noel Hill also recorded it. And I don't know where I got the second one, I suppose from sessions and stuff.
Alright, and the Nearly Boyle is the Donegal fiddler, is he?
Yeah, I think so. And Tim that taught me that, yeah.
And you know different versions of that tune?
Yeah, I have other versions of it as well, but that's my favourite. It's probably the hardest as well.
Alright, okay. Listen, Francis, you're a young concertina player. You've won a fair few All-Irelands recently, haven't you? In different grades or different ages.
I suppose I've been lucky enough to win two of them. In 2009 I won the under 15, and then surprisingly the following year I won the under 18, which was kind of a shock, but yeah. And
you still have a couple of years underage in that?
Well, I do.
Are there more to follow?
Well, we'll see.
Good man, okay. Your concertina you're playing there is a what?
That's a 38 key Sutner.
Sutner, okay. Yeah. And you play another concertina as well sometimes?
I do. I also have a B flat F dipper.
Lovely.
Both nice concertinas.
And I've noticed too there's a bit of a closet piper in you as well, is there? Do you play the pipes?
I do, yeah, but maybe not as much as I should, but hopefully I will get back to them.
And is there a nice connection between the pipes and the concertina?
There is, yeah. When I'd be playing pipes, you know, you'd be trying to do the ornaments on the concertina and vice versa again, so you might get a piper-like sound on the concertina and maybe, you know, on this opposite on the pipe.
Alright, I see. And which was the first instrument? Was it pipes or concertina you picked up originally?
Yeah,
concertina.
I've been playing concertina 6 or 7 years.
And what brought you into the pipes then?
I always liked the sound of the pipes. I liked the sound of reed instruments, and mainly Liam O'Flynn from Planksty and listening to Planksty kind of got me into pipes really.
And did you have to? You didn't have to wait 100 years to get a set, did you?
No. Lucky enough, I went to Blackie O'Connell, and he gave me a practice set, and then we later bought a set. We got a set made. A guy called Jim Wenham made it. He lives in Offaly, but he's originally English.
All right, lovely. Yeah. Excellent. Okay, Francis. Listen, thanks for coming in today.
Thank you, John.
All right. Bye.